are going to make a first Father's Day card. I've already started a few of the items. I've already stamped and layered the image we're using today. And the stamp comes from my Oriental stamps that I've had. I'm not sure where I've got it from or anything. I've had it for a while. But I've already stamped it in baked brown sugar by Stampin' Up. And I've used my glitter pen, and I've gone over each of the feathers of the geese. And then I used C1 from Copic, and I've gone over that, the white part of the geese. And the yellow is a color that I got from one of my markers I had. And then I layered it with a green at the bottom for the grass. And I'm not sure what color that is either. But that's my image that I'm using. My top layer, or base layer, excuse me, is it's sort of a cream color, and it's 5.5 by 4 1/4, and I scored it at 5.5. I mean, it's 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5.5. And then I have a brown layer that I use to distressed straps on here by Provocat Craft, and I've already embossed it. I added a bit of water on the cardstock before I embossed it, and then I did. I'm going to add to that a partial part of this paper that I have is has texture on it. It's a canvas color, and I'm going to layer it here. On here, I'm going to add some double-sided tape on there. And it's taller than what I'm going to use, so just going to add just a bit of it right here. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. I don't have as many Father's Day cards as I did Mother's Day cards, so I'll just be making 2 or 3 of them. I'm going to layer this piece to the cream cardstock that I have here this way, and I'm going to use a tape runner that I had before. Okay, I'm going to lay this here. I'm going to add my image, which I have black on the layer part, and I'm going to put it here. But I'm going to put just a little tape here, if I can get this to do anything today. And I'm doing this so it will stay on this piece here. And on the extra, I'm going to add some pop dots, which I have here. Not a lot, just a few, to sort of stabilize it. Then I'm going to put it here. Right here. Now I have already stamped on this cream color Happy Father's Day, which I'm going to put right here. But I'm using an old stamp that I had from Stampin' Up. Old punch, excuse me. And I'm going to punch this out. I find that it's better to stamp the image that you're going to be using, or the saying that you're going to be using, on the cardstock first and then punch it out, because it's hard to get the image straight on here. Now I'm going to be using a piece of black that I have. I'm going to tape or glue my black here on this cardstock. And I think I'm going to try this again. I don't know if I can get any more tape out of this or not. Okay, I'm going to put it here. And I'm doing that so I can punch it out and it'll be straight. So to me, it's easier to do that than to punch it and then try to put it together. And I'm going to put it right here. Use a little glue on this side. And a small piece of dimension at the end, popped out at the end here. Then I add it to my card. Okay, there it is. Now inside, I'll probably write a note to the person I'm giving this to, but I'm going to be making another one next week for Father's Day, and I need to prepare for that so I won't repeat myself with the same image. But I'll find something that I think you will enjoy doing. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I do hope that you will continue to come back and see me, and have a great day. I'll see you next week. Bye.